This question, grade 12 learners. This question is under work, energy and power. Remember that we have formulas. Work done by any force is equal to that force times cos theta. Remember, theta is the angle between the force and the displacement. Okay, we also have a formula for the work energy theorem. The net work done is equal to the change in objective's kinetic energy. Another formula, work done by non-conservative force is equal to change in EK plus change in EP. Okay, we also have other formulas, and the formulas for power. The formulas for power is the rate at which energy is done, work is done, sorry. So we also have a formula, average power. Usually this one is sebenza apho kwimoto phakathi. So here we have the constant velocity and the force, but apha kwi power we have only two formulas. We use this one when you are given ixesha, which means you are going to look for the work done by a force xa unikwe ixesha. At the time, this one sisebenzisa when you are given the average velocity. Xesha elininzi bazothi it's a constant velocity. So sisebenzisa leya yona izokwenzela lula, otherwise no sense izophuma answer, but ixhomeke kwi-data. If you are given the velocity, try to get the force they are talking about. But if you are given ixesha, make sure you get the work done by force le bathetha ngayo. Then we are done. This question is out of 23 marks. Let's try. They say the box, a box of mass 2 kg has an initial velocity vi. So we are given that the initial velocity is vi. The box travels across a rough, which is also important, rough surface, and has a speed of, so we have a speed per 1.5 after it has traveled 0.7 meters. We also have a frictional force of 26 newtons. So this is the diagram. Then the first question says we have to define a frictional force. This question ibhekisele phaa ku-Newton's laws. A frictional force is a force that opposes the motion of an object and acts parallel to the surface. Okay, that is a frictional force. It parallel and opposes the motion of an object. Then they say calculate the kinetic energy of the box while it is traveling at 1.5. So kinetic energy formula yayo, EK is equal to 1 over 2 mv squared. So we are looking for the kinetic energy. Mass box phaa 2 kg naku 2 kg ngu-2, then speed phaa it's 1.5 square. Then sicofe calculator, because energy it is in joules, ne work it is in joules. Then the following question says calculate the work done by a frictional force. So work done by frictional force, that will be equal to a frictional force times delta x cos theta. So sizosubstitute a frictional force and delta x an angle for a frictional force 26. So sine frictional force and 26 newtons times delta x is 0.7 meters. Then cos, for a frictional force we always put 180, that is 180 there. So we are going to get, for frictional force we just put 180 because frictional force opposes motions of 180. Then we are done. Then the following question says, state the work energy theorem in words. Now, into of is that when they say state the work energy theorem, or they say define whatever, the following question izofuna sisebenzise la definition, bayasikopisa. So nathi masisebenze on that. So we are given here, I will write here, but state in fact the work energy theorem in words. The work energy theorem in words, it work done by a net force is equal to the change in object is kinetic energy. So we are going to use this one. Now, before you use any formula with net, you have to draw a free body diagram. So let's quickly draw a free body diagram of this box. I will just write here. So we have a weight, we have a normal force, we have a friction that opposes the motion. There is no force applied, so this. Then the normal force will give you a zero work. Also the weight will give you a zero work because they are perpendicular to the displacement. They are making 90. So if you punch calculator ufake 90 endaweni ka theta, cos 90 will be equal to 0, which means ezi 2 they do a zero work. So we are left with the frictional force. So work done by friction as our net. So work done by friction only, 18,20 is equal to 1/2 mv final. How change is final minus 1/2 mv initial. So showing pass substitute. We are looking for v. They say calculate the speed v per. So jongo speed v uba ebeyintoni, is it initial or final? Now we have speed v evaleleke part, that is initial. So a is speed, that is a what? A final velocity. So it was a substitute pass in a final velocity m1,5. So it's no 1/2 times the mass is 2 times the final velocity is 1,5 square minus 1/2 times 2 times the initial velocity is what we are looking for. Then situation press a calculator there. Izo2 ziyacancelishana lo 2 cancelishana lo 2. Then situation punch a pi calculator. Then we get 20,45. Kwelitala we have negative 20,45, which is equal to minus v initial square. So let's divide by -1 both sides, -1 both sides. Then we get 20,45, which is equal to initial square. Then square root both sides. Then we get v initial. You get v initial part. Then we are done. This part, I think we have two objects here. They collide, which means we are going to that side of momentum and impulse. Then iphinde object here to swing inyuke, which means siya kwi principle of conservation of mechanical energy. But the question is guide by yiphi masiyisebenzise. Iqhome question. Let's quickly go to equation statement. A 1,2 kg crate is attached to a long string as shown in the diagram. A block of mass 0,4 kg collides with a stationary crate, so the crate is not moving at the moment, with a velocity vp and rebounds with a velocity of 0,36 meters per second, causing the crate to swing up a vertical height of 65 centimeters. Okay, so the first question says state the principle of conservation of mechanical energy. Remember I said if but state the principle, then ngezantsi we are going to use la principle bawukopisa nje ungacingi kakhulu. Okay, so the principle yona ithini? The total mechanical energy in an isolated system is conserved, meaning that the mechanical energy at a particular point is equal to the mechanical energy at a particular point. So I can say this is a bottom and this is a top. Okay, so we have a bottom here, then we have a top here at 65 centimeters. So mechanical energy is a combination of kinetic energy, or is a sum of kinetic energy and a gravitational potential energy. Then ke izofana macala, but enye yase top, enye yase bottom. Remember kwicala it's our bottom, elicala it's our top. Okay, so into esingayijonga is that at the bottom the height is 0. Xa height ngu-0 izochaphazela i-gravitational potential energy because uzofaka u-0 la, so izoba ngu-0 at bottom, which means kweli cala soshiya no-ek apha at bottom, i-gravitational potential energy bengu-0 yona. Okay, then since iye yaswinga to a height engubani pha okanye masithi maximum height yethu leya iswinga yofika kuyo, which means at maximum the velocity is equal to 0. Remember i-velocity i-affecta i-kinetic energy, so xa ufaka u-0 lapha yonke lento izoba ngubani, izoba ngu-0, then we are left with EP. Otherwise you can just substitute and you'll get the same answer. Now we have kinetic energy at the bottom, half mv squared, which is equal to mgh. Then the question part city must calculate the magnitude of the velocity when the of the crate immediately after the block collides. If it collides at bottom, which means the velocity that we are looking for is a bottom. So a bottom lelicala ke bottom weight, so sifuna le velocity, so it's 1/2 times kubani mass ye crate, because the crate eliswingile ngu-1,2 v square, which is equal to mass it's 1,2 times g 9,8 kubani height pang 65, but centimeters we are going to divide by 100, so that's of many meters per each will 0,65. then we press the calculator there, 7, then we have 0,6, then 0,6 v squared, then we divide by 0,6 both sides, 0,6. So we have 7,64 divided by 0,6, then we get 12,73. then ngapha ezo-2 ziyacancelation sibe no v squared, then sifake square root both sides, then sibe ne square root pha, then we get the answer ke ngupha engu the velocity after collision pha, the velocity is 3,57 meters per second. Then sigqibile la question, let's quickly go to another question. Jonga ke ngokwestion elandelayo ethi state the law of conservation of linear momentum. Remember ndisithe xa besithi state bayawukopisa uba xa sibala ngezantsi we are going to use the law. So the law states that in an isolated system, the total linear momentum is conserved, which means the momentum is conserved. Iyafana momentum before collision, iyafana momentum before collision and momentum after collision. As objects zoyi-2 zidibene, that is a sum of the momentum. So we have the momentum object yokuqala as mv for object yokuqala. In this case, it's a block, initial for the block, plus mv initial of the crate is equal to mv final of the block plus mv final of the crate. Remember, i-crate initially belimile situ statement pa, which means the velocity of the crate is equal to 0, meaning that koba ngu-0 upper in momentum. Okay, now let's quickly substitute the mass of the block nansiya ngu 0.4 yes, times the velocity initial of the block. Here I think it's what we are looking for the block, because the question here says calculate the magnitude of the velocity of the block just before, which means we are looking for before collision, that is initial. Then lena indawo yonke izoba ngu-0, then it is equal to 0, then we are here. The block after collision ibihamba ngabani, so jonga statement, but after collision block ibihamba ngabani pha kwi-statement. I think there is something there. They say block pha iye yarebounder with the velocity of 0.36, which means xa ireboundile itshintshe direction, meaning that we are going to put negative pha. So the block the value is mass engu 0.4 times rebound, I will put negative 0.36 plus i-crate nansi velocity crate after collision, but i-crate mass yakhona be 1.2 times 3.57. Then sitshoyo ngosisolve for the velocity of B. So we have 0.4 vi of B, which is equal to our press calculator per square second.